Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Share, Export, Publish and Close tab, under File menu. Let's begin. I am going to click on File menu and Share tab. We can share the document with different people by clicking on Share with People button. Document should be saved in cloud to get this option. We can share the document in mail with different options. First option is, send as attachment. That is, we can send the document as attachment in mail. Second option is, send a link. That is, we can send the link in mail. Third option is, send as PDF. That is, we can send document as PDF attachment in mail. Fourth option is, send as XPS. That is, we can send document as XPS attachment in mail. Fifth option is, send as Internet fax. We need to configure fax service provider to send the document as Internet fax. Next tab is Export. We can export the document in PDF or XPS format using Create PDF or XPS document button. We can also change file type while exporting with different formats. Under Workbook File Types, we have Workbook, Excel 97 2003 Workbook, Open Document Spreadsheet, Template, Macro-enabled Workbook and Binary Workbook. Under Other File Types, we have Text tab delimited, CSV, delimited, Formatted Text Space delimited and Save as another file type. Save as button opens. Save as tab. Under File menu. Next tab is Publish. We can publish to Power BI after saving the document to OneDrive for Business by clicking on Save to Cloud button. Next tab is Close, which closes the document. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can buy ebook on Microsoft Excel interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.